Welcome back to the Rangotul YouTube channel. In today's video, Rangotul will show you how you can scan for people who have retweeted your Twitter posts on the Twitter platform. This will be part of the Rangotul X tutorial video series. Rangotul support is making this video series with the purpose of guiding you to use it as effectively as possible, as well as providing it to you for a completely free trial. You can use these tools to practice and follow along. So let's see if this feature suits your needs and how to use it. First, open the MKT X software, and this is the main interface of the program. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a section called Scan Account Direction. Click on that section. Once you click it, an interface will appear as you see on the screen. The first thing to do, if you want to scan a specific quote, is to choose here. There are options: Scan Commenter, Scan Quoter, or Scan Supporter. In the Scan Commenter video, Rangotul has already shown you how, so you can watch that again if needed. Today, we will focus on Scan Quoter. Select this option. Next, you need to go back to the Twitter platform. On Twitter, choose a post you want. For example, you can pick a post from CryptoRain. Copy the link to that post, then return to the software and paste the link here. After you've selected it, enter the parameters: 1 post and 100 interactions. Usually, if you want to scan more, you can enter multiple links, 1 per line. If it's just 1, simply enter it like this and you're done. Once you're done, select your Twitter account. Just choose one account. There's no need to select too many. Click the Start button and the software will begin working to scan the users who have quoted your Twitter post. It's really simple and easy to do like this. You can also export the results to an Excel file and use them for tasks such as automatic posting, automatic commenting, or messaging people to introduce your products or services. You can absolutely do all of this. For now, just wait for these simple steps to finish. Anyone can do it. Here, Rangotul created this video series to share and introduce it to you from the beginning. You can contact Rangotul via Telegram or WhatsApp as shown on the screen. Rangotul will install the software and activate it for you to use. You'll have 24 hours to try it out and see if it suits your needs before you need to pay for the software license. This entire video series is a step-by-step guide that you can follow. The Rangotul YouTube channel also features many different software tools, as you can see on the screen, including Rangotul software and Rangotul X. This includes Rangotul software, Rangotul Insta software, and more. You can freely choose whichever tool suits your own purposes. Just contact Rangotul and ask for assistance. Rangotul provides a wide range of social media platform tools. Now, as you can see, the software has finished scanning. You can check the Scan Data List section where it displays the data it has collected as shown on the screen. If there's only a small amount of data like this, it means that the post here hasn't been shared much. When there's not much activity, the data output will be limited, and that's completely normal. If there are fewer people, it can't pull a full list for you. You can select all and export it as an Excel file to use and further exploit this data. Rangotul wishes you success in using this feature. Everything is very simple and easy to do. See you in the next videos on the Rangotul YouTube channel.